Welcome to the channel, everybody. Hey, I going through some stuff, and I always found something I've always wanted to take apart, and that's this little tile. Bought them one year as a little gadget for my kids because I've got one daughter who's the ability to hang on a set of keys is a downright miracle. So my time's expired on this thing. I think the time expiring just has to do with the battery dying, I think. I'm not sure. I haven't logged back into my account to see what goes on with the account since this died, but anyway, there's the letter E here. There's actually a little power button, but it doesn't have any juice left, so let's see how we take this thing apart. They are advertised as being waterproof, so this is probably not going to be an easy task. Well, let's see here. Let's see if these will work. Need oil or something. Ooh, heard something pop. Oop, now we're just flexing it. There we go. Got a little bit of something coming up. And that was long-lived, but hey. Well, there we have it. And glued in there. Oh, look at that cute little piezoelectric speaker. It's driven off these two little pins right here. You can see that there. There we go. Those two little pins right there. Okay. 2032, standard lithium battery. That's actually a Mitsubishi battery. So then when we look here, tiny little capacitors, resistors, tiny little chip there. And what is under this chip here? See if I can read it here. No. Can't even focus on it. There we go. Well, I'll have to take a look at it when I put it on the computer, but I can't see it from here. And then right here, I said the letter E was a button. Can you hear that? There you go. So, before I go to the trouble of soldering a battery in there, which wouldn't be that hard, I'm going to go and look at my tile profile and see what it says. Alright, well, hey, this is a quick little video. Oh, look, there's the antenna. It's a quick little video, but hey, you know what? At least we both learned something here today. How sorry about the focus on this. This thing is terrible. What's inside a tile chip? Alright, well, thank you for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and comment down below. And visit my Patreon page. The link for that will be down below as well.